among this Little Miss and Mr. Candidate ang siyang magwawagi sa ating first set of special awards. Kaya naman huwag na nating patagalin pa. Let us begin by calling our Little Mr. and Miss Laguna 2025 Friendship Award. To start off, our Little Mr. Friendship 2025 awardee is Little Mr. Candidate number 7 from Santa Cruz.
Presenting award to our Little Mr. Laguna 2025 Friendship is Miss Pamela J. Peters Ballard, OIC of El Tigato and the Chairman of Anilan Festival 2025.
Our Little Miss Friendship 2025 award is Little Miss Candidate number 4 from Calayan.
Presenting the award to our Little Miss Laguna 2025 Miss Friendship is Miss Family G. Peters Ballard, the OIC of El Picato and the Chairman of Anilan Festival 2025.
Congratulations po sa ating mga kids who are friendliest among all our Little Miss and Little Mr. candidates.
Sir, ma'am, atras po kayo ng konti. Atras po kayo.
Oh, yeah.
Atras po kayo, atras. Ma'am, dito kayo. Dito kayo. Atras kayo. Ate, atras kayo dito. Oo. Atras nga kayo dito para makaluwag ng earth dyan. Saan po na po kayo? Kaya nga po, atras mo kayo dito.
Once again, palakpakan pa natin our Little Mr. and Miss Laguna 2025, Mr. and Miss Friendship.
Pagin! Si! Hawak!
Congratulations! Our next award for the first set is the Little Mr. and Miss Laguna 2025, the Photogenic Award. And now, our Little Mr. Laguna 2025 Photogenic is
Gabin!
Mr. Laguna candidate number 6 from Mali.
Presenting the award to our Little Mr. Laguna 2025 Photogenic is Miss Pamela J. Peters Ballard, the OIC of El Picato and the overall Chairman of Anilan Festival 2025.
Gabin!
And our Miss, or Little Miss Laguna Photogenic is candidate number 1 from Rizal.
Presenting the award to our Little Miss Laguna 2025 Photogenic is Miss Pamela J. Peters Ballard, OIC of El Picato, the overall Chairman of Anilan Festival 2025.
Thank you so much, and congratulations to our Little Mr. and Miss Laguna 2025, the most photogenic awardee. Congratulations. Our next award for the first set is the Little Mr. and Miss Laguna 2025 Robinson's Galleria Sound Choice. And our little Mr. Laguna Robinson's Galleria South choice is little Mr. Candidate number 3 from the city of Calamba.
Presenting the award to our little Mr. Laguna 2025 Robinson's Choice Award is Miss Pamela Jean Peters Baud, the OIC of El Ticato. Together with Attorney Dulce Rabanan, the Provincial Administrator of Laguna.
And our little Miss Laguna 2025 Robinson's Choice is little Miss Laguna Candidate number 11 from Papi.
Presenting the award to our little Miss Laguna 2025 Robinson's Choice Award is Attorney Dulce Rabanal, the Provincial Administrator of Laguna.
And of course, our Robinson's Galleria South Choice awardees will receive 5,000 pesos gift certificate from Robinson's Galleria South. Thank you so much. One of our sponsors for the Anilag 2025, the Robinson's Galleria South. And that concludes to our first set of special awards. Congratulations to the winners. Muli, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga candidates for Little Mr. and Miss Laguna 2025 in their fantasy costume. And of course, we would like to acknowledge their grandest production number kasama ang Enchanted Kingdom. And we would like to request Alright, so at the juncture we would like to remind our crowd to please kindly move backward from the left side and the right side of our cultural center of Laguna. Whereas we will be having close vicinity dito po sa ating cultural center of Laguna para mas organize po ang ating coronation ng Little Mr. and Miss Laguna. Please kindly move backward po ng ating mga crowd and audience na nasa unahan ng ating stage here in the cultural center of Laguna. Maraming salamat po. And to all the handlers as well, please let me remind you that meron po tayo mga mag-a-assist. First from the JMC School of the Arts sa ating mga candidates ng Little Mr. and Miss Laguna 2025. Congratulations and maraming salamat po rin to all the winners of our first set. Congratulations to all the winners. And today we are honored to be in the presence of a woman who is true an advocate for the progress and devoted leader in the inspiration, not just a woman, but also a man in action in the province of Laguna. Siya po ang nagsimula ng serbisyong tama, Honorable Governor Ramil Laurel Hernandez, at ang magpapatuloy ng serbisyong tama, Gobernadora Ruth Mariano Hernandez. And to give a message in behalf of our Honorable Governor Ramil Hernandez and Gobernadora Ruth Mariano Hernandez, let us all welcome our Provincial Administrator of the Province of Laguna, Attorney Dulce H. Rabanan.
Walang pangit na tao sa mundo.
Friends of Laguna, Attorney Dulce H. Limanal, giving a message in behalf of our ama ng lalawigan ng Laguna, ang nagsimula ng serbisyong tama, Honorable Governor Ramil Laurel Hernandez and Gobernadora Ruth Mariano Hernandez. Maraming salamat po. And this competition is not just about looking good on stage. Each of them will be judged based on the set of the criteria that highlight not just beauty, but also their confidence, intelligence, and